Hey guys, so this is a video we would normally watch in class, but I wanted to make sure that I gave you some in-class time to work on that middle ages one-pager. So that way if you had any questions, you could ask before you went off for your really long weekend. For those of you who don't know, you won't have school the 14th, 15th, or 16th, so Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, and there won't be anything posted on Google Classroom. So no face-to-face days and no distance learning days. So make sure you guys take some time to relax, recover, and maybe do your middle ages one-pager if you have time. All right, so we're going to be talking about the influences on Europe in the Middle Ages. So the Middle Ages were going on in other places besides just Europe, and we're going to look at those different groups. So we're going to look specifically at the Muslims this week and the Vikings. This lesson is going to focus on the Vikings and why there are so many misconceptions about them today. So before watching the video below, you're going to create a T-chart with the title Savings and Loan. So T-chart, remember, looks just like this. And then make one of your columns with the title Savings. Make another one of your columns with the title Loan. Okay, so think of it like a bank. Savings is going to be stuff that you already have in the bank, in your brain. And loan is going to be like new resources, in this case, new information. So go ahead and brainstorm what you already know or think you know about the Vikings, and you're going to go ahead and put that in the savings column. Then you're going to watch the video below. It's a long video, but you're not going to watch the whole thing. You're just going to watch the first 15 minutes and 46 seconds. That was another reason for making this a distance learning day activity, so that way you can take breaks if you need to, and you don't just have to sit and watch 15 minutes straight through. Sorry, that was my husband. He's just going to have to wait because you guys are more important. All right, so watch the 15-minute and 46 seconds of the video linked below. And any new information, you're going to go ahead and put in the loan side. Anything that you already knew but maybe just forgot to write down in your brainstorm, you're going to put over here on the savings side. Once you've watched those first 15 minutes and 46 seconds, you're going to go ahead and look at your savings side and kind of like mark or circle or just look for the things that could be misconceptions. So the things that weren't necessarily in that video. Then you're going to go ahead and create a Padlet where you're going to think about your theory, hypothesize why the Vikings were so misunderstood. So based off their culture, their history, the history of those around them, so on and so forth, why do we only view them as like these big brutes without much advancement when they were in fact an advanced civilization? Okay, so after you've kind of thought about it and you have an idea, you're going to go ahead and just post it on your Padlet. So here's my example right here. You can go ahead and title it whatever you'd like as long as it's relevant and school appropriate, of course. And then go ahead and explain the reason why the Vikings were so misunderstood is whatever your theory is, whether it's aliens or government conspiracy or whatever you want it to be based off what you saw in the video. And then you're going to go ahead and just kind of explain how you got there. So explain your thinking that made you come up with this theory. Then you're going to go ahead and put your name at the bottom. Once you've done that, you're going to read other people's posts and you're going to give them a little thumbs up if you feel like theirs is the strongest theory. If you want to give multiple thumbs up, go for it. Spread the love. All right. And just a reminder that your Fall of Rome writing assignment is going to be due the 13th. Your Middle Ages one-pager is going to be due the 20th. And remember, no school the 14th, 15th, or 16th. So make sure you take time to take care of yourself and maybe do your one-pager if you have time. See you later, guys.